Imagine you being dead and alive at the same time. This sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that this seemingly impossible scenario is not only possible but is a fundamental property of subatomic particles in the quantum world? Today, in this video, we'll be exploring one of the most fascinating and mind-bending concepts of quantum mechanics, superposition. In quantum physics, superposition is a fundamental property of subatomic particles such as electrons where they can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Imagine an electron spinning clockwise and anti-clockwise at the same time. One of the classic examples of this phenomenon is the Schrodinger's cat, which is a thought experiment devised by the brilliant physicist Erwin Schrödinger. Let us imagine a sealed box containing a cat, a radioactive source, and a vial filled with venomous liquid. The radioactive source has a 50% chance of decaying, and if the radioactive source decays, it will break the vial of poison, which will immediately kill the cat. Now, according to quantum mechanics, until we open the box and look inside, the radioactive material is in a superposition of decayed and undecayed states. This means bizarrely that the cat is also considered to be both alive and dead simultaneously. It's only when we open the box and observe the cat that this superposition collapses and we find the cat either dead or alive. Now, the key takeaway from Schrodinger's cat is that until we observe the system, we can't definitively say whether the cat is alive or dead. This uncertainty at the heart of quantum mechanics is where the concept of wave functions comes into play. Now, a wave function, often represented by the symbol psi, is a mathematical tool used to describe the state of a quantum particle. Since we cannot know for certain what state a quantum particle is in before we measure it, we use the square of the wave function's magnitude to determine the probability of finding a particle in a particular state. Now, you might be wondering, if we as humans are made up of countless atoms, why don't we experience these quantum effects in our everyday lives? Why aren't we walking through walls or existing in multiple places at once? The answer lies in a process called decoherence. Decoherence is essentially the interaction of a quantum system with its environment. Imagine a single atom existing in a superposition of states. When this atom interacts with other atoms, molecules, and the surrounding environment, the air molecules bumping into it, this delicate superposition gets disrupted. The information about the atom's quantum state becomes spread out and entangled with the environment, effectively destroying the superposition. So, while we might not experience superposition directly in our everyday lives, it's a fundamental concept that shapes the world at the smallest scales. Understanding superposition is crucial for developing new technologies and pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. It's a reminder that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we might imagine. I hope that this video has sparked your curiosity about the strange and wonderful world of quantum mechanics. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What other quantum phenomena are you curious about? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations into the universe.